Very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are discussing about exercise 1.4, question number 5. Question number 5, third question. See the third question. Show that left hand side determinant is equal to prove that RHS value is 4 into a square into b square into system means take the left hand side determinant to prove that RHS value is 4 into a square into b square into c square. See the solution. How to prove that left hand side determinant is equal to RHS value? See the solution. First we are taking left hand side determinant. First we are taking left hand side determinant. The values are b square plus c square, a square, b square, c square plus a square, b square, c square, a square plus b square. Now first row or first column, all the elements to prove that single variable. But here first element, what is that? Sum of the square of the two variables. That's why we are eliminating this one. We can apply the condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. We should apply the condition because of here two separate variables is there. Means here s for s single variable is there, but here sum of the square of the two variables. This one you have to put that 0. That's why your taking condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Apply the condition. R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Next, R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Same thing. R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus of R3. But second row and third row does not change this current as b square, c square plus a square and b square. Next, c square, a square plus b square. Simplify this determinant. Now minus c square plus c square minus b square plus b square, get here that value is 0. Next is a square, my eliminating with minus c plus c square, that is minus c square minus a square minus c square. Next here a square minus b square, product with negative, we get value is minus a square minus b square. Second row on the third row does not change, that's why the elements are right as it is. B square, c square, a square plus b square. Now simplify this one, yes friends. Now minus a square plus a square get cancelled. Here minus a square plus a square get cancelled. We get the determinant value is 0. Minus c square minus 2c square minus b square that value is minus 2b square. Next is b square, c square plus a square, b square, c square, a square plus b square. First to take common only minus 2. Taking common minus 2, or we can find the determinant also, we get the values. Taking common minus 2 in first row. So now from first row we are taking common minus 2 outside. So now we are taking minus 2 common outside. 0, c square, b square, c square plus a square and b square, c square, a square plus b square. Now applying the determinant condition. So when now applying the determinant condition, top two cancel symbol is plus minus. So now find that value minus 2 of, so first value is 0. So now 0 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. You should write as a determinant of left of the elements are c square plus a square, b c square a square plus b square. Determinant of a b c d condition is ad minus bc means multiply with cross multiplication element. That's why we are applying the cross multiplication method. C square plus a square into c square plus a square into a square plus b square minus c square into b square. First one is over. Next symbol is negative. The element is c square. C square is present in the first row. Second columns are eliminated. After that, we should cross multiply with the left of the elements. So now b square into a square plus b square minus c square into b square. Next, third symbol is plus. Element is b square. Now b square is present in the first row. Third columns are eliminated. So now cross multiply with the left of the elements are b square into c square minus c square into c square plus a square. Now simplify these elements. Minus 2 into this total value is 0 because of 0 into anything value is 0. Minus c square, b square into a square is b square a square plus b square into b square, that value is b to the power of 4 minus c square into b square plus b square into c square minus c square into c square, that value is minus c to the power of 4 minus c square a square. Now simplify this one. Minus 2 into minus of c square into b square a square, that value is minus c square b square a square minus c square into plus b square, that value is minus c square b to the power of 4 minus into minus plus c square into c square, that value is c to the power of 4 into b square plus b square into b square, that value is b to the power of 4 c square minus b square into c to the power of 4 minus c square a square b square. So after product with each element, after that we get this value. After that, what are the cancel with we should cancel. Now observe these students. C to the power of b means plus c to the power of 4 b square minus c to the power of 4 b square get cancelled. Next, plus b to the power of 4 c square get cancelled minus b to the power of c square get cancelled. Now so product with the left of the elements or addition of the left of the elements is minus c square b square a square minus c square a square. That value can be written as minus 2 of a square b square c square. You should write 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Both values are same, but product with interchanging values. Here also c square b square a square or a square b square c square, both are same. That's why I am writing orderly minus 2 into a square into b square into c square. Now product with minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into a square into b square c square. Finally, we get the RHS value. This is solution for in this question here, friends. Very simple. First we are this one we have to put the 0. That's why we are taking condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Applying the condition after get this determinant. If you want, you should apply the determinant condition. R is first row minus 2 taking common outside. After that, you should apply the determinant condition. We get the RHS value. So everyone understood this question? See the next final question in this exercise. Not in this exercise. Question number 5, last question. See the question number 4. That one also same thing only. Very simple. This all the questions. See the question number 4 in this question number 5. See the question number 4. Very easy, that one also. Question number 4 is so that b plus c d. B plus c b c plus a. Next is b a plus b. to prove that 4ABC. To prove that 4ABC. Observe here friends. First row, here single variable is there, here single variable is there. But here sum of the two constant value, not variable, that is constant values is there. This one you have to prove 0. Take condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Should apply the condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. So we are taking left hand side condition. So we are taking left hand side determinant is B plus C, C, B, C plus A, B, A plus B. Now applying the condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Apply the condition. So first row changes to first row minus second row minus third row. Same condition. First row changes to first row minus second row minus third row. R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. But second row, third row does not change. That's why all that is right as B. C plus A, B, A plus B. Now simplify this determinant. Minus B plus C minus C get cancelled. That value is C. Now product with the symbol is negative. C minus A minus A. Here B minus A minus B. C plus A, B, A plus B. Now here minus C plus C get cancelled. Here minus B plus B get cancelled. We get the determinant is 0, minus A minus 2A there also, minus A minus 2A. Next elements are C plus A, B, A plus B, A plus B. Now we should apply the determinant condition as first row taking common minus 2A outside. Taking common minus 2A in first row. So now we are taking common minus 2A from first row. We get the elements are 0, 1, C plus A, B, A plus B. Now applying the determinant condition, minus 2A plus 0 into cross product with this element, C plus A into A plus B minus A into A. Next is minus 1, product with this one into this one into this one. Product with this one into this one into this one. So that's why C into A plus B minus B into A. Next plus 1 present in the first row, third columns are eliminated, cross product with the left of the elements. So C into A minus B into C plus A. Simplify this one. Minus 2A into 0 into everything value is 0, minus 1 into C into A, CA plus C into B, CB minus BA plus 1 into C into A is CA minus BC minus AB. Simplify this one again. Minus 2A into minus 1 into C, that is minus CA minus CB plus AB or BA plus CA minus BC minus AB. Now what are the cancellation elements? We should cancel minus CA plus CA. Next is plus AB minus AB to cancel, minus 2A into minus CB minus BC or minus C. Both are simple only. Minus 2BC. Now minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. A into B is ABC. Finally we get the RHS value. This is solution for this question, dear students. First we have to apply the condition is R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. After that we get the determinant is 0 minus 2A minus 2A, C plus A, B A plus B. First row take common minus 2 in first row. After that we should apply the determinant of 3 by 3 condition. We get finally RHS value. This is solution for this question, dear students. I think everyone understanding those two questions. If you have any doubt, please ask to me. I will explain in the WhatsApp chat. So tomorrow you have to discussing about question number 6. Thank you all.